grapes, apple, some pepitas, some sunflower seeds in there, chocolate covered cashews. Just gonna go ahead and add a couple more of these cashews to the rest of these meals that I'm preparing for the week. First meal of the day. This will also include a smoothie and an almond butter sandwich on Ezekiel bread. Yes, yeah, yes. The smoothie's fire too. All right, we have a berry smoothie with ground flax seeds, chia seeds, pea protein powder, made with almond milk, coconut water. I put a little bit of honey in there, and I also put in some kale too. So here's the lunches, and I'm gonna take these walnuts too. Meatless spaghetti with a homemade sauce. Cherry tomatoes, I have kale in there, orange and yellow peppers, some onions and some garlic, olive oil, some nutritional yeast, plus some various seasonings. Put a little bit of brown sugar in it too. And now I'm about to top it with some green lentils so I can get some more protein and some iron. Yes, yeah, yes. I swear I get so excited when I try something new. Let's hope this turn out all right. We about to test it out now. All right. I'm just, I'm gonna mix the lentils in with it, but let's just see. Oh, we're good. You know why? Because you can't taste the lentil. Yes. Y'all, because sometimes I be trying some stuff and it do not be working out. But once I mix it all in here, the spaghetti part tastes good. And you know what I'm going to do? For a little bit more healthy fats, just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on each one. You know why? Like I cooked them in olive oil and all that other stuff, but like, yeah, it'll help them stay like not as dry too. They're not gonna be dry, but that olive oil, that's gonna help. So yeah, I just made 4 meals for the week. I'm working in the office. So look at me with my little containers. Look at me. Y'all better watch. Yes. I am prepared. Okay. Working in the office. Got my 2 meals that I'm going to have. My 12 o'clock meal. And then I got my meal at around like 4. I eat again. And then I'm going to eat again when I get home. And for that meal, I have brown rice, black beans, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Yes. This is going to be menstruation week. So you got to have everything prepared, y'all. Everything. Okay? I'll be back.